Hello everyone. I got a phone call on yesterday. Um, the council want to come over and do a final inspection, and hopefully by Thursday I will know if I'm allowed to keep my animals. I guess I'm a bit nervous, a bit apprehensive. I've worked really hard all day to keep the backyard up to a standard where it's clean and tidy, I guess. Cleaned all the paths. We've had quite a bit of rain, and the actual paths were covered in mud, and dirt and duck poo, and so yeah, I gave them a good sweep. Had to get the shovel in there to get remove some of the dirt. And got rained on in the process. But anyway, it was quite warm. So, like, at the end of the day, having a cold shower from rain wasn't a bad thing. I guess I just pray or ask for prayer that I will be able to keep my animals. I've applied for 6 ducks, 6 chickens, 4 geese, 6 cats and 3 dogs, and 2 goats. I probably will get the permits for the poultry. I have been told that it's unlikely that I will get it for the goats, but this has been going on since just before Christmas, so I had to apply for the permits by the 10th of January, and I did that, and it's 6 weeks later, and I'm hearing now. My neighbours got letters in the mail asking if they have any problems with me having these animals. 2 of my neighbours I know don't have an issue. I don't know about the people behind me. It's taken such a long time, which is hopeful, because if it was a definite no, then I would know by now. But I guess I just want to know sooner or later, and it's been playing on my mind for couple of weeks actually, on why they haven't contacted me. But I guess I'm asking you guys to pray that I can keep my animals. I've already had to get rid of a lot because, according to council law, I have too many for the half an acre land that I'm on. I've done everything they've asked. And I don't know what more I can do, but just keep my eyes on God and just keep focusing on what I know He wants me to do. And just keep moving forward. It's a bit of a short one today. I just wanted to let everyone know what was going on, and that I really do want some prayer for this, and I want to thank those who have supported me and have left some really encouraging comments on my other videos. It's been very uplifting, and yeah, thank you. Really appreciate it. So I'm going to say good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. May God bring you many, many blessings. And I'll see you on the next one.